Discover side hustles of 2023 that don't require experience and make money online like a pro. Hey there, future side hustlers! Are you ready to unlock the secrets of turning your free time into financial freedom? In today's video, I'm going to unveil the top 9 side hustles for beginners in 2023 and beyond. So, let's dive in and discover how you can start making money, even if you're a broke college student, a full-time worker looking to boost your income, or simply someone with extra time on your hands. The best part? You don't need prior experience or special skills. These side hustles are tailor-made for you, the beginner. Before we delve into the exciting world of side hustles, let me express my gratitude for your continued support. Whether you've subscribed, viewed, shared, liked, or turned on post notifications, you're helping Profitability Plus thrive. With that said, let's get started with today's lesson. Number 1. Doing laundry with SudShare. Laundry is a chore that most of us do regularly, and it often feels like a never-ending task. But what if I told you that you could turn this mundane task into a profitable side hustle? That's right, you can make money doing other people's laundry through platforms like SudShare. The process is straightforward. People who need their laundry done post their requests on SudShare's platform. As a Sudster, you can browse these requests based on your location. When you find a job that suits you, you can accept it and arrange to pick up the laundry from the customer's location. Earning potential. While you may not get rich doing laundry, SudShare offers a steady stream of income for beginners. Your earnings depend on factors like the size of the laundry load and your location, but Sudsters typically make between $15 to $25 per hour. That's a decent hourly rate for a side gig that requires no prior experience. Number 2. Free cash. Earning money online. Let's talk about another fantastic side hustle for beginners. Free cash. The name says it all. It's a straightforward way to earn some extra money, and it feels like you're getting free cash because it's so easy. Ways to earn on free cash. Free cash offers multiple ways for you to earn money. You can participate in surveys, watch videos, complete offers, and even enter contests for additional rewards. It's like a one-stop shop for online money-making opportunities. Number 3. Zirtual. Become a virtual assistant. If you're organized, efficient, and tech-savvy, a virtual assistant role with Zirtual might be your ideal side hustle. VC professionals often require assistance with tasks like email management, scheduling, research, and more, and Zirtual connects them with virtual assistants who can provide these services. What services can you offer? Email management. You'll help professionals stay on top of their emails, ensuring that important messages are prioritized and responded to promptly. Scheduling. Keeping calendars organized is crucial for many professionals. You can assist by scheduling meetings, appointments, and events efficiently. Travel planning. Professionals who frequently travel often need assistance with booking flights, accommodations, and creating travel itineraries. Research. Research tasks can range from market research for businesses to finding information on specific topics. Data entry. Accurate data entry is essential for businesses to maintain organized records. Social media management. Managing social media profiles and content scheduling can be part of your services if you have expertise in this area. Number 4. Google Opinion Rewards. Share your views for cash. If you enjoy sharing your opinions and have a smartphone, Google Opinion Rewards can turn your thoughts into cash. It's a straightforward app that allows you to participate in quick surveys and earn money for your time. Ways to earn with Google Opinion Rewards. Google Opinion Rewards offers various ways to earn money. Surveys. The primary way to earn is by participating in surveys. These surveys cover a wide range of topics and typically take a few minutes to complete. Earnings per survey. You can earn anywhere from 10 cents to $1 or even more for each survey you complete. While this might not seem like much, it adds up quickly, especially considering how quick and easy the surveys are. Number 5. Care.com and SitterCity.com. Babysitting and caregiving services. If you have a caring nature and enjoy looking after children or elderly individuals, platforms like Care.com and SitterCity.com offer opportunities to connect with families in need of caregiving services. Number 6. Carvertise. Turn your car into an advertising billboard. Do you own a car and spend a lot of time on the road? Carvertise offers you a unique side hustle opportunity by turning your vehicle into a mobile advertising billboard. Earning potential. Carvertise pays you monthly for driving with their advertisements on your car. Earnings typically range from $100 to $300 per month for each campaign. The exact amount you earn depends on factors like your location, driving habits, and the campaign's duration. Number 7. Text broker. Become a content writer. Do you have a way with words? If you enjoy writing and have a good command of the English language, Text broker is a side hustle that allows you to get paid for your writing skills. Earning potential. As an experienced writer and text broker, you can expect to earn around 5 cents per word. For example, if you write a 1,000-word article, you would earn approximately $50. While this may not seem like a substantial amount, it's important to consider that many clients require ongoing content, offering a steady flow of writing opportunities. Number 8. Snapwire. Sell your photography skills. If you have a knack for photography and own a decent camera, Snapwire can turn your snapshots into a profitable side hustle. Earning potential. The earning potential on Snapwire varies depending on factors like the quality of your photos and the demand for specific themes or subjects. On average, photographers can earn anywhere from $15 to $100 or more per photo sold. Number 9. Transcription services. If you have strong listening skills and can type quickly and accurately, transcription services might be the perfect side hustle for you. Transcription involves converting audio or video content into written documents. Earning potential. Transcription services typically pay between $15 to $25 per hour, depending on your speed and accuracy. You have the flexibility to choose when and how much you work, making it an ideal side hustle for those with busy schedules. And there you have it, the top 9 side hustles for beginners in 2023. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Your support is what keeps us going. Until next time, remember to make the most of your free time and walk the path to financial freedom.